Go.
Hello. So I had been get a lot of messages requesting stretches for the neck and shoulder area for neck pains and some arthritis in the neck. It's not that simple, but I'll do the best I can today and show you some of the basic stretching we can do. Well, first thing is when you talk about the neck problem, it usually relates the whole entire spine. So if you have good posture, your neck usually doesn't have a lot of problem. But if you have poor posture, you sit like this. See how your neck come forward like this? So if you first thing you do is you need to sit up straight, so your head automatically come back here. So one of the exercises, if you have the gym and you have the ball, you can do this stretches sitting on the ball like that. The way to sit on the ball properly is make sure you have a 90-degree angle between your knee and your leg. And then your back and your thigh, your torso and your thigh should be also 90 degrees. Sit up straight like that, bring your shoulder back, neutral positions, and bring your head here. It's very important to make sure we're in neutral positions. And from this positions, first we're gonna do is stretching these muscles here. It's called the upper trap. So I'm gonna do this side so I can show you guys. So first thing you wanna make sure is you don't cheat like that. So bring your arm out, turn it up this way so you can open up your pec so you get some feeling here. And hold this out like that. And make sure your head is in the center. And bring this arm over here, touching your ear. And just slowly lean over like this. Then make sure I don't do this. See? So here, there, and gently let the way your arm slightly pull. You don't want to yank the neck like this. Just slightly go like that. And make sure you keep this neutral. And hold this position for about 45 seconds. And then you repeat that 2 or 3 times. And you do the same thing over here. And make sure your neck is neutral. Open like that. Relax your arm. There you go. And same thing. You do it for 34 seconds. You should feel some pull right here. But if you have any discomfort, you need to stop. And then the second stretch we can do is we're going to turn your head this way, 45 degrees towards your knee. But see, when I turn my head, I don't turn my body. So keep your body still in the center. Turn your head this way, tuck your chin in, look down, and same thing with the other one, open your pec up. And then put your hand right here, and gently, same thing, tuck it down. And just feel some stretches right in the back of the neck, right in this area. So right here. Right, if you don't feel it, you can move your head around until you feel that stretching. And tuck it in. So those are 2 basic stretch. And the next one I want to do is actually sometimes it's hard to do sitting on the ball. So we can do it on the floor. If you lay flat on the floor like this, and you can do the same thing, just bring your head, lift your head up, and bring it to one side. And then open your arm up, and here, and gently, slowly, until you feel some stretches. And when you feel that stretches, just hold this position. Make sure your chin don't look like this, and slowly tuck it back in, and there. And there's a lot of, you can feel it right here. And same thing, you hold that for 45 seconds. And then from this position, all you have to do is turn your head this way, and then look in, and you can change the direction of the muscle stretch. Just like that. And you do the same thing on the other side. Bring over here, put your hand over here, and slowly put your head there. And you start turn your head slightly, and you should feel some stretching right here. Now, since you lay down in this position, you don't feel as much stress as the sitting up, but it works just fine right there. So turn your head this way and pull it down. So you do both of those, 45 seconds. And then one exercise I want you to focus on is just get something to put under your neck. So this way you're going to stretch this muscle right here. So you can just slowly roll up like that. And lift your head up and just feel some stretch right here. Now this one is easier on the ball if you don't have any back issues. Because if you sit on the ball, and you roll down on it, we go up this way, and you can also feel some stretching. But if you have some back issues, make sure you have them look at it so that you can feel some stretching in this muscle right here. And then same thing here, turn over here and have some stress on that muscle there. And when you do all that, and you also should also do something called isometric exercise. If you're a little more advanced, you can be on the ball like this. And you can do just all you do is push your hands back like this for 4 seconds. Relax, push it down, relax, push it down. But if you don't have the ball and you can lay it on the floor, you can do the same thing. Just from here, just kind of put your hand back, relax, put your chin right there, and relax. This is called isometric exercise, and you do it 12 times. 2 sets each. And then when you're done with those, you can from here you just chin up, back down, chin up, back down, back down. So those are the same thing you do 2 sets of 12. All right, that's it for now. Just some basic stress for the neck.